Ever wondered how safe you are online? Think about it. Every click, every share, every download might be a doorway to potential risks. Your personal information, financial data, even your identity, could be at the mercy of cyber threats. The digital world is a playground for hackers and cybercriminals, and they're always on the prowl. So, ask yourself again, is your online security at risk? It's a scary thought, isn't it? Well, that's where cybersecurity comes into play. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? Well, imagine you're a knight in shining armor and the internet is a dragon. Your armor is your cybersecurity. It's what stands between you and the dragon's fiery breath. In more technical terms, cybersecurity refers to the practice of safeguarding systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These attacks often aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, disrupt normal business processes, or enable illicit money transfers. Cybersecurity is all about protecting internet-connected systems, which include hardware like your computer or smartphone, software like your apps and operating systems, and data. That's everything from your emails to your online banking details. It's a vast, complex field with various aspects to consider. You have network security, which protects the integrity of your network and data. There's application security, focused on keeping software and devices free of threats. Information security shields the integrity and privacy of data, both in storage and in transit. Operational security includes the processes and decisions for handling and protecting data assets. And then, disaster recovery and business continuity planning are about how an organization responds to a cybersecurity incident or any other event that causes the loss of operations or data. The goal of cybersecurity, in essence, is to prevent or reduce damage from cyber attacks. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about understanding that in the digital world, just like in the real world, there are threats that we need to protect ourselves against. In short, cybersecurity is the shield that protects us from the dark side of the internet. But why should you care about cybersecurity, you may ask? Well, let me explain. In the digital age we live in, our lives are increasingly intertwined with the internet. We shop online, we bank online, we socialize online. It's almost impossible to imagine a life without the internet. But with this convenience comes a certain level of risk. Cybersecurity is the shield that protects us from these risks. Think about it this way. Your personal information, financial data, and even your identity are all just a few keystrokes away from being stolen by someone with ill intentions. Cybersecurity measures are what stand between your sensitive information and cybercriminals. Without it, you're essentially leaving your front door wide open, inviting criminals into your home. Moreover, cybercrimes are not just limited to individuals. Businesses, large and small, are also at risk. A single cyber attack can cripple an organization, leading to financial losses, damage to reputation, and even legal repercussions. For businesses, cybersecurity is not just a good practice, it's a necessity. In a world where data is the new gold, cybersecurity is the fortress that protects this precious resource. It's the unsung hero that works behind the scenes to ensure our online activities are secure and our digital lives are protected. So the next time you're online, remember this. Without cybersecurity, we are all just sitting ducks in the vast pond of the internet. Now here are some key points about cybersecurity you should remember. First off, one of the most essential things to remember is the importance of having strong passwords. You see, a password is like a key to your online house. If it's weak, you're basically inviting cybercriminals to walk right in, so create passwords that are strong and unique. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols to create a complex password that's hard to crack. Next, be wary of suspicious emails and websites. Cybercriminals often use these as bait to trick you into revealing your personal information or downloading malware. If something seems off, it probably is. Trust your instincts and steer clear of anything that doesn't feel right. Then there's the matter of using secure networks. Public Wi-Fi might be convenient, but it's also a playground for hackers. Whenever possible, use secure and private networks. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN to encrypt your data and keep it safe from prying eyes. Lastly, always keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities in the system. By keeping your software updated, you're making it harder for cybercriminals to exploit these weaknesses. Remember, in the world of the internet, staying safe means staying vigilant. And that's cybersecurity in a nutshell. It's not just about protecting your data, but also about being aware and making smart decisions. So take these key points to heart. and you'll be well on your way to a safer online experience.